Hi, today we have to repair a network switch built by ZTE. This is the unit which is having some malfunctions, and we have to see why it is not working properly. Let's see what we have inside. We have the power supply, we have the main processor unit. Under we can see the chips from the switching ports and some interfaces. Okay, let's make some measurements. So I've extracted the power supply unit. We have to open and to make some measurements to see if all the powers are the same as it should be. Here we have 3 small converters. These are giving low voltage for the processor and for the power over Ethernet and for the fiber optical FSP modules. We must be sure that the measured voltage are between the approved ranges. First, we have to measure if the processor is having the right voltage. It's 3.0 volt, it's normal. We have a second processor voltage which should be around 1 volt. 1.5, this is correct. And this is the converter which works only if we are giving power over Ethernet and if we connect the FSP modules. But the voltage is okay now, 0.5, which is quite normal in this situation. So we can say that now the switch was repaired and we have to put it in work. The system is good. We have no alarm, and we can say that it's okay.